Justin Kuehn, you are the lead plaintiff in a recent class action against Citibank involving your student loans. Can you tell us about your class action?
Sure. My class action was filed in the Southern District of New York against Citibank, the Student Loan Corporation, and Discover Bank over a payment reduction to my private student consolidation loan that I took out in law school. What happened was, in January 2012, my monthly payment was reduced approximately $300. On the statement, it said that this reduction was caused by a decrease in the loan's interest rate, when in fact the vast majority of this reduction was caused by a decline in the amount of principal repaid each month. This results in the life of the loan being extended for several years without my consent, and thousands of dollars of additional interest being charged over the term of the loan.
What has the response been to your suit?
The response has been overwhelmingly positive. Many people have reached out to me just to share their support or to tell me about similar issues they're having with their student loan lenders. I always encourage anybody to reach out and speak to me about any problem they're having with student loans in general.
So you think the misconduct is not limited to just the defendants in your suit and only to law school loans?
No. Student loans are very complicated, and it's a very large area of debt in America. Undoubtedly, there's problems at all levels of student loans.
What are some red flags that borrowers should be looking out for?
I would say that the three main red flags are a change in your servicer or bank holding your loan, a change in your monthly payment amount, or if the bank's customer service is non-responsive to you.
Do you have any advice for student loan borrowers?
I would say that the first thing you should do is verify anything your bank tells you. If your bank tells you your interest rate has declined, get out a calculator and verify it for yourself. And if you can't do that, find someone who can. The second thing is create a record about your dealings with the bank. If a bank makes a representation to you, make sure you get it in writing. If you call customer service, document it. Follow it up with a written communication to customer service, whether it's electronic or a fax document. And in a pinch, if all else fails, send an email to yourself, just creating some sort of a record of the communication you had so that you're not just later, it doesn't become your word against theirs.
Justin, thanks for talking to us today.
You're very welcome.